As a Jamaican woman, life gets busy. Between working, between being a wife, between being a mom, and everything else, life just simply gets so busy that you tend to forget about yourself. I don't have a fancy bathroom or a bathtub. I don't even have hot water. Shh, not tell nobody. Nobody tell nobody. But I found a simple, budget-friendly way to unwind right here at home. This is an inflatable tub. I purchased it on Amazon for $50. Can you believe it? All I do, blow it up, get some water in there, pour in my little products, my Epsom salt, my shower gel, light my candle. I may have like a glass of wine or a glass of orange juice, my fruits, things that make it feel luxurious. I will do 4 to 5 pots of boiling hot water because I like when my water is hot, okay? I like when my water is hot. I have 2 boys, 2 toddlers, right? So at the end of the day, I'm very overstimulated and I very much need this hot bath. I am 5'9". I fit completely in the bath. I don't have to bend my feet. I can lay my feet out completely. I can stretch my feet out completely. My recommendation is to blow the bathtub up in your space. So if you have like a closed off space like how mine is closed off, I recommend blowing it up inside. But sis, don't wait for the perfect setup to care for yourself. Use what you have. Start where you are. You deserve this. You deserve a hot bath. You deserve some time alone on a budget. Yeah, do it.